Hello, my name is Max. Welcome to No Code Nerd. We're talking about Celestory today, or Celestory, or I don't know, complicated name. But Celestory basically lets you create no-code games, very simple no-code games, or virtual assistants or flows. It's actually a really flexible tool. Once I started diving into it, I tried to use it on one of my recent shows about a month ago. It's way more complex than I thought it was. It's a really, really impressive tool. Um, it's really underrated too. I haven't actually seen anybody talk about that. Maybe that's bad. Maybe that's good. I don't know. But when I was testing it out, it was really, really impressive. Basically, through a series of little flows and little drag and drop kind of systems, you can create a lot of really simple things like immersive learning, quizzes, interactive videos, which is actually awesome. So like maybe it's mainly built for games. It's mainly built for games. And they also have virtual assistants and chatbots and functions like that. But I was trying to create a dating simulator, like a really silly dating simulator, and Celestory seems to be an awesome tool to do exactly that. So, like for instance, they have an escape game here. An interactive video would be perfect for kind of a dating simulator. Yeah, fascinating, very little tool. Very underrated, very new. I think maybe it's been around for a while, but it hasn't kind of caught on. I would love it if people went and tried this. I would love to hear what you learn about this, how it functions for you, if you're able to figure out some really cool stuff you can do with it. But if you're looking for underrated app, game, chatbot, virtual assistant kind of builders, this might be the tool for you. So, yeah, check it out. Celestory, let me know if you have any questions on what you might be able to build with this. I will see you in the next episode.